Work like a dog. Understanding hard work in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across. Work like a dog. This expression is rich in meaning and culture, and understanding it can give you insights into both the English language and the work ethic it often celebrates. So, let's get started and explore what it really means to work like a dog. The phrase, work like a dog, is used to describe someone working extremely hard or diligently over long periods. Contrary to what the phrase might suggest, it doesn't imply that the work is demeaning or unworthy. Instead, it reflects a high level of commitment and effort, akin to the relentless way a dog might pursue a task or duty it's given, such as herding, hunting, or guarding. The origin of work like a dog is somewhat ambiguous, but it's generally believed to reflect the hardworking nature of dogs, especially in roles where they've been historically employed, like farming or guarding. Dogs are known for their loyalty and their willingness to work until a job is done, qualities that the phrase commends in people. Understanding how to use work like a dog in conversation can help you convey respect for someone's work ethic or describe your own efforts. Here are a few examples. I've been working like a dog to get this project finished on time. She works like a dog. No task is too big or too small for her. They worked like dogs to make their new business a success. Using this phrase can add a touch of empathy and appreciation for hard work in your conversations. In English-speaking cultures, hard work is often celebrated and seen as a pathway to success. Work like a dog encapsulates this value, suggesting not just hard work but also loyalty, persistence, and the willingness to do what it takes to achieve a goal. It's a positive affirmation of someone's dedication, often used in both professional and personal contexts. We hope this exploration of the phrase, work like a dog, has given you a deeper understanding of its meaning, origins, and how it can be used to express admiration for hard work and dedication. English is full of such expressions that capture the values and humor of its speakers, and learning them is a great way to enrich your language skills. Remember, learning English, or any language, is a journey, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language soon.